In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Tidio bot with Instagram. This seamless integration allows you to handle all your Instagram direct messages and interactions right from your Tidio dashboard, simplifying your social media management process. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the steps to get everything set up effortlessly. First, let's access your Tidio dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. This is where you'll manage all the integrations and channels. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Channels. Once you click on Channels, you'll see a list of various platforms that you can connect with Tidio. Find the Instagram section from this list. This is where you'll be focusing our efforts today. Upon finding the Instagram option, you'll notice a button that says either Integrate Instagram or Connect your Instagram. This may vary slightly depending on how your dashboard is set up. Click on this button and a pop-up will appear on your screen. Now, this is where the connection with Facebook comes into play, because Instagram operates under the umbrella of Facebook tools. You'll need to log in via Facebook to continue the integration process. Once you're prompted to log in, enter your Facebook credentials. This step is crucial because it allows Tidio to link with your Instagram account via Facebook's protocol. After logging in, you will see a list of your Instagram business accounts. If you are managing multiple Instagram accounts, be sure to select the correct one you wish to integrate. This is also the moment where you'll select the Facebook page that's tied to your chosen Instagram account. Ensuring these align correctly will prevent any future miscommunication between the platforms. The next stage involves granting permissions. Tidio requires access to certain Instagram features like messages, mentions, and story replies, so don't skip these steps. Grant all the necessary permissions, as these authorizations are what allow your Tidio bot to interact with Instagram seamlessly. Once approved, save the changes you've made. With everything set up and saved, your Tidio account is now connected to Instagram. This means all your direct messages, mentions, and story replies from Instagram will start appearing directly in your Tidio inbox. This integration not only centralizes your communications, but also enables you to create Instagram flows. These flows allow you to automate responses, providing immediate replies to your audience without needing to interact directly. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your Tidio bot with Instagram. This powerful connection will ensure you stay on top of your social interactions and maintain an efficient workflow. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to simplify and enhance your digital experience.